Hello everyone, this is Rio Aldi Alemania Dumpol, and this is how we will set up our React.js project. Okay, so first let's open our VS Code and let's go to our file. So we're gonna create a folder in which we will create our project on. Okay, okay, select folder. Then here in this folder, we must consider that we have downloaded already or downloaded and installed Node.js. So if we go here in our browser, we can go to node.js.org and install Windows installer, install node.js, and yeah, we will check our node.js if it is installed now. Okay, so um, yeah, you have to check it if our node.js is installed in our machine. So let's go with our cmd. So you can select here, then go to command prompt, then let's see if node.js exists in our machine. Okay, node minus v. So if it shows a version, it means our node.js exists in our machine. Okay, to initialize our React.js project, we just need to code this command. So npx, okay, create React app, then the name of the app. So just say notebook. Okay. Create React app is actually depreciated from the actual React Native documentation, yet still it is still working. There are many choices there that you can use instead of the create React app command to create the React.js project. Okay, let's just wait till the loading is done. So basically, what the CMD is doing here is it's downloading all the libraries that needed for the project. It is from the Webpack dev server, and yeah, it is kind of slow. That's why it was removed in the React.js documentation um, website and replaced by Next.js, Gatsby.js, and many more. There, you can visit the website for the documentation relative to this installation. Okay, I guess it is almost done. Okay, let's see the folder. This one, it has a package.json, so it means it is going well. Okay. Okay, it is close. As you can see, there is a node modules here, in which that is what the loading here is downloading on. So these are comprised of many folders, so you don't need to work with this. Yet those node modules are very important in the development. Okay, let's just wait till it is done with the download. Okay, it is nearly done. Okay, it is now installing some template using npm. Anyways, we're gonna remove npm after this installation since we're gonna use yarn. Okay, yep, it is done. Okay, before we're gonna start our if it to check if our project is now working, let's just change the package manager from npm to yarn, since yarn is much more good in terms of maintaining the libraries we're gonna use in our package.json. Okay, so to add yarn, we just need to remove this node.modules. Okay, remove that one, and the package lock.json. Okay, we need to remove these folders because we're gonna install the actual yarn packager. Okay, let's just let it finish first, deleting those files because those files are replaced by yarn when we're gonna install yarn. Okay, now it is removed. Let's just open the actual file first because to direct the CMD. Okay, so we will not okay, I guess this is it. So we have now our project, then we're gonna install the yarn. Okay, to install the yarn, for example, this is your first time to install yarn. Of course, yarn will not be existing, will not exist on your machine. So to install that one, we must install first this command: npx, npm install --global yarn. Okay, since I have installed yarn in my machine, I will not press this one for us to move to the next step. Okay, after you install that one, since it will say success, you will install yarn in the project itself. So npx install yarn. Npx, sorry, my bad. Yarn install. Okay, so yarn will be installing the libraries based on the package.json file. Okay, this file that will exist like all of your dev, well, all of your projects will have this package.json. This will be this will be the basis for your files downloaded on your project, especially when you are executing this kind of commands, especially yarn install. Okay, React.js, by the way, is a web development framework created by Facebook. So it is much it is very fast to develop projects here, especially complex projects relative to web development. Okay, let's just let it finish on installing, downloading the required libraries. Okay, actually it is just the same process when you are gonna copy a project from another source or cloning from a Git repository. Okay, it is just the same steps to install npm install yarn first globally, then you're gonna go with the yarn install, npx yarn install. Okay, I guess it is nearly finished. Let's just wait for it. Okay, done. So we are done with setting up our React.js project. Okay, to check our folder. Okay, okay. So this is our source folder, and it has many files inside. So the important files here you need, actually you're gonna access every now and then, is the app.js and the app.css. The app.js is more like the index in PHP, and the app.css is more like the CSS styling. Yet it is not CSS. Okay, it is just like CSS. And this one is the main file that your project is running on. So basically, this will contain routes and many imports that is needed on your website. Now, here in the public, it is where the HTML of your project is declared on. Yet, it has no content, since it follows the framework. I mean, React DOM framework. So we're gonna have to edit more on our pages here in our source folder. So here, uh, we're gonna set up our bootstrap in the next video. But before that, before I'm gonna end this video, I'm just gonna show you if how to start your project in your local host. To do that, it's very simple. It is just to type this command npx yarn start. Okay, then let's see on our um, Chrome if it shows the actual project. Okay, since I have a running project in port 3000, just press yes. But anyways, if this is just your first project to run on, it will automatically go to your browser to run the project. So there, as you can see, the React, your first project on React is already running in your local host. Okay. In the next vid, we're gonna learn how to set up Bootstrap, as well as how to code Bootstrap on your project website. Okay. Thank you very much.